Year 2024 is going to be an amazing year, bro, because I have that feeling inside my chest that it's just going to be a great year, yeah? And that's why, bro, I want to share you 5 simple goals that you can also implement to have a great year as well, yeah? And goal number 1 is to work on things that you like to do. Because so far, when you go to school, when you go to gymnasium, only those fat and broke teachers are telling you what to do, yeah? They are telling you to be quiet in the classroom, sit with your legs crossed so that your balls are completely squeezed, you know? And they are just telling you, yeah, you need to have a permission that you go to the toilet, you need to raise your hand and you need to obey our rules, which are completely feminine made, so that we can keep you under control, so that your masculine energy doesn't explode, yeah? And it's enough of that, bro. It's enough of listening to the others. Others can have their own lives, and you need to work on your own life as well, yeah? So I want you to work 30 minutes per day on things that you like to do. For example, new business, learn new things, you know, draw, write, make YouTube videos, make music, whatever it is that you like to do, just do for 30 minutes, yeah? And don't tell me that lame excuse that you don't have time. Because I was telling that excuse to everyone for almost my whole life. And I didn't have time to do 30 minutes something, but I had 2 hours per day, bro. 2 hours per day to play League of Legends, and I had 1 hour per day to watch porn. And I didn't have 30 minutes. That's a lame ass excuse. It's so cheap excuse that it just makes you less of a man. You know what I mean? So what I will do this year, for example, is to just read about stocks, read about Yahoo Finance and analyze the stocks, the tickers, companies, and then also work on those videos on YouTube, because I like to explain things to you so that you don't have the crappy teenage years that I had, yeah? Doing what you want to do does not mean to watch porn and play video games because you like to do that. You know what I mean? Because so far you have been playing video games, you have been playing League of Legends, watching porn, procrastinating, not doing anything, basically just being lazy, yeah? Doing what you want to do means to do the good habits. And if you want to get rid of your bad ones, here is the video that I made recently and it can help you maybe. Doing what you want to do, you know, means that you develop good habits, you develop skills that will bring you something in the future, that when you will look back, that you will take that success that you built in those 10 years, for example, and you will be like, fuck yeah, bro, I built that with my own blood, with my own sweat, my own muscle, and my own hard work. Hard work does pay off, bro, trust me that. Right now you think, yeah, it's just a lame ass saying that old people say, but no, it's true. When I look at my stock portfolio, bro, it's amazing, man. I'm so proud of myself, man. I'm not a millionaire yet, and I'm on the way, bro, trust me. Okay, second goal that I want you to do is to read books and try to read, not try, but read 1 book per month, yeah? Because as Charlie Munger said, he is one of the best investors in the world, yeah? He said, I don't know how to get smart without reading a lot. So, what does that mean, yeah? Reading will make you smart. Reading will give you knowledge. That ancient knowledge that it's locked inside those books and dusty libraries, because right now everyone is just on TikTok and Instagram. But you are built differently, bro. You are one of those weirdos from minority who go to the library, yeah? If you are not that part yet, then join me and we will go together. And the more you read, the more your brain is going to be unlocked. I don't know how to explain that, but I noticed that when I was reading, and when I'm still reading, that I can think clearly. I can just think, okay, what will I watch today? What will I record today? Okay, let's do year 2024, or tomorrow maybe let's do something about reading as an overall, and so on and so on. You get so many ideas when you read, and your brain just, I hope you understand me, bro, your brain just unlocks. You somehow connect with the universe, you know, it's some weird voodoo shit, but it really works, bro. Because if you think about it, yeah, when you compare television with reading, for example, with television you sit down and you watch television, you don't have to think about anything what they are doing, you are just listening to what they are saying and so on and so on. You have quite an idea what they are doing, you know the film, and that's it. But when you are reading, for example, first thing, bro, first thing, you need to hold the book, yeah, and then you need to actually flip through the pages, yeah, you need to invest that effort, that energy to flipping, you know. In the TV you just sit on the sofa and that's it, nothing, nada, yeah. And then when you read a sentence, you need to read it maybe in English, and English is not your mother tongue, so you need to think about it and you need to translate it to your own language, yeah. And then language in the books is written in a more difficult manner than it is on the television, because television is made for stupid people, whereas books are made for smart people. That's why smart people are reading them, and that's why smart people are also rich people. You know what I mean? Have you ever seen someone who got rich by watching television? Maybe Kardashians. I'm not blaming them, they know how to hustle, obviously, but you know what I mean. An average Jackson cannot do that, bro. I cannot get rich by watching television, I'm honest with you, bro. And then when you read, you know, you don't understand maybe what is it saying, because the language is a bit complicated, so you need to read again. And you need to think, okay, what the fuck does that mean? You know what I mean? And the more you read, the more you think, and the more you think, the better your brain is, the smarter you are, more powerful you are, more ideas you have. Reading is workout for the brain, just like gym and fitness and swimming pool and bicycling. That's everything workout for the muscles. You know what I mean, bro? Third goal is to start investing your money, your real money, into stock market or your own business. That's the only way to get rich, bro. Only way to get rich is by investing, and everyone will tell you that. Except schools and other educational institutions, because they do not know how to handle money, they don't know how money works, and they don't understand money. That's why your fat teacher is also broke teacher. And don't worry about it, bro. I made a video here about stock market investing. Go watch if you are interested. I would suggest you that you invest a small part of your money. If you have savings because your grandma is giving you money, invest half of it into stocks. Invest half of the money that you get for your birthday into stocks. Every money that you receive as a young man, half of it invest, because right now it's the time. Right now it's the time to experiment. Right now it's the time to experiment different businesses, different ideas to get rich, because you are living with your parents. If you are blessed with a nice family, you don't have to pay for the rent, you don't have to pay for the food, you don't have to pay for anything. So you can afford to lose money. You know what I mean, bro? So I suggest you that you invest. Yeah, that's basically it, bro. I suggest you that you invest the money. For example, with me, I know that I will invest part of my salary into stocks, and recently I will start to invest part of my salary also into YouTube channel, because I want to make better videos for you, because better videos mean that they are more helpful for you. I can help you more, you know. The next thing is, bro, fourth thing is that you do sport every single day. It's the same with working on your things that you like to do, you know, but here you will also invest part of your time into workout. For example, you can go to swimming pool, you can go to fitness every day if you have time, you know. And if you don't have time, you can at least do the workout at home, you know. Try to do something each day, at least a little workout, at least something, bro, yeah? 10 minutes, it's fine. And you have 10 minutes, bro. Don't tell me you don't have 10 minutes. 10 minutes equals 10 push-ups, or maybe 20 push-ups, a bit of break, and then 2-minute plank. You can do it, bro. Trust me. Me, for example, in 2024, bro, I will go to the swimming pool 4 times or 5 times per week, because I will work remotely, and when I will work remotely, I will go to the pool. On the weekends, for sure, And then on the other days, I will do a bit of home workout, you know, some push-ups, maybe some calisthenics here nearby, and so on. And I suggest you as well that you organize yourself in that way that you go to the fitness or swimming pool on the weekend, and then during the week when you don't have exams or study that much, you go also to the fitness or swimming pool if it's close to you, and the other days you do a bit of home workout. That's the beginning, bro. Until you organize yourself a bit better, until you learn how to organize yourself a bit better, and then you can go every day. For example, I was going every day when I was in the last 2 years of the university, and right now I'm doing sport as well every day, you know. Fifth goal, the last goal, is to eat cleaner, and that is connected with sport, you know, because when you do sport and when you eat cleaner, your body is healthier, and when you feel healthier, you feel more confident, and when you feel confident, bro, you attract more women. That's a win-win, bro, because ultimately you want two things as a young man: number one, women, and number two, money. And money you get with investing, and women you get with sport. Sport is basically investing into you. You know what I mean? And treat your body like a car, because I know that you are a man and you like cars as well, yeah? So imagine that your body is a car. You don't want your car to be dirty. You don't want your car to be shitty, destroyed, with bad interior and with even worse body kit. You don't want that. So you treat your car nicely and treat your body that's why as well. Treat your body nicely, because yeah, I can only say that, bro. You will feel that you will feel better, you will be happier, you will be in better mood. And when you are in better mood, you attract the women because they are attracted to the positive energy that you are giving them. You know what I mean? My food, for example, is going to be pasta and pesto because I love that, or pasta with mushroom sauce because I love that as well. A bit of vegetables, usually tomatoes, paprikas, salad, and maybe potatoes as well. Maybe a bit of chicken, and then fruits. I swapped fruits for snacks, and it's amazing, bro. Imagine that instead of buying one bag of crisps, you buy one apple and you eat it. It's going to be hard at the beginning. It's going to be pain in the ass, bro, especially because I liked food, especially that crappy food, a lot. And then when you think about it, no, chips or crisps or hamburger will not bring me women. So you invest into eating better food. And right now, bro, you are a bit fat, and I guarantee you in 1 year you will look amazing. You will look like this, bro. It's not perfect yet, it's not perfect, but I'm working towards it, yeah? You know what to do now, bro. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world, champion.